kale is not just a leafy green. It is a living emblem of resilience, nourishment, and the timeless connection between humans and the earth. Long before it appeared in modern smoothies and trendy salad bowls, kale was cultivated in the gardens of ancient civilizations, thriving in the cool soils of the Mediterranean. The ancient Greeks and Romans prized this vegetable not only for its taste, but for its ability to fortify the body and sustain energy during long hours of labor and study. Farmers would plant kale in fertile fields, knowing that this hardy green could endure frost, wind, and drought when other crops failed. In medieval Europe, kale became a staple among peasants and nobility alike, appreciated for its abundance and its ability to feed families throughout harsh winters. Its dark, curly leaves seemed almost otherworldly, catching the light in spirals of green that promised both vitality and sustenance. Kale's reputation as a superfood is not merely modern hype. Its nutritional profile has long made it a powerhouse of health. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, it fortifies the body's defenses, supporting vision, immunity, and blood clotting. Its high fiber content aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut, while antioxidants fight inflammation and cellular damage. Kale is also abundant in minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium, building strong bones, regulating blood pressure, and maintaining electrolyte balance. Modern science confirms what ancient healers long observed, that consuming kale supports heart health, reduces chronic disease risk, and can even enhance mental clarity. Its naturally occurring compounds, including glucosinolates, play a role in detoxification, helping the liver neutralize harmful substances. For centuries, kale has been more than food. It has been medicine, a symbol of vitality and endurance. In the 17th century, Dutch and English sailors carried kale on long sea voyages to prevent scurvy, relying on its rich vitamin C content to protect their health. Even in harsh winter months, kale's frost-resistant leaves retained their flavor and nutrition, offering sustenance when most other crops had perished. Chefs across time have celebrated its versatility. Sautéed with garlic and olive oil, blended into soups, or eaten raw in hearty salads, kale adapts effortlessly to both simple and gourmet preparations. Modern kitchens have embraced it for its transformative ability to absorb flavors, complementing spices, cheeses, nuts, and dressings. Kale chips, baked to crisp perfection, have become a contemporary favorite, allowing people to enjoy its nutrition in a deliciously crunchy form. Smoothies enhanced with kale are packed with vitamins and minerals, blending seamlessly with fruits, seeds, and plant-based milks to create a vibrant, nutrient-dense beverage. Juicing kale releases its potent compounds, providing a concentrated source of antioxidants and phytonutrients in every sip. For those seeking a plant-based diet, kale offers protein, fiber, and micronutrients that support overall wellness and energy. Its naturally low calorie count makes it a favorite for weight management, while its rich composition of nutrients fuels endurance and recovery for athletes. Kale also carries cultural significance, woven into traditional dishes across Europe, Asia, and North America. From hearty Irish stews to Portuguese caldo verde, kale has been celebrated for centuries as a comfort food and a health-promoting staple. In recent decades, kale has become synonymous with the modern superfood movement, championed by nutritionists, chefs, and wellness advocates alike. But despite its newfound fame, kale remains humble. Its rugged leaves a reminder that true nourishment comes from nature, not hype. Farmers still tend their fields with care, selecting varieties that thrive in local climates and offer the most flavor, texture, and nutrition. From curly to dinosaur to red Russian varieties, each type of kale provides a unique taste experience and a rich spectrum of nutrients. The way kale grows, resilient, strong, and verdant, mirrors the qualities it imparts to those who consume it. It strengthens the body, nourishes the mind, and sustains energy throughout the day. For centuries, kale has been a quiet hero, feeding generations through famine, war, and the changing seasons of human history. It reminds us that food is not just fuel, but a bridge connecting us to the land, to our ancestors, and to the cycles of life itself. Kale's journey from ancient gardens to modern superfood bowls illustrates the enduring value of nature's bounty. Eating kale is an act of mindfulness, a recognition that the simplest, most unassuming plants can hold extraordinary power. Its leaves may appear humble, yet they are bursting with compounds that support longevity, mental clarity, and vitality. Kale's bitter notes balance sweet and savory dishes, creating harmony on the palate and enriching the senses. In the hands of a chef, kale becomes a canvas, absorbing flavors, spices, and oils, while delivering its potent nutrition. In smoothies, soups, salads, and chips, it is a versatile powerhouse, offering both health and culinary delight. For those seeking longevity, kale's antioxidants protect cells and tissues from oxidative stress, contributing to overall wellness. Its phytonutrients may reduce inflammation, support detoxification, and promote cardiovascular health, making it one of the most complete plant-based foods available. Kale's fiber content aids digestion, regulates blood sugar, and supports gut microbiome health, linking nutrition to long-term vitality. Even small portions provide a meaningful dose of vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that reinforce the body's natural defenses. Kale's dark, textured leaves are a visual reminder of its potency, signaling the density of nutrition hidden within. It invites patience in preparation, washing, chopping, and lightly cooking to unlock its flavors and retain its benefits. Its resilience in frost and poor soil reminds us that the strongest foods often thrive under the harshest conditions. Consuming kale regularly is a practice of self-care, a deliberate choice to nourish body, mind, and spirit. Through centuries, cultures have revered it as medicine, sustenance, and an emblem of endurance, illustrating the timeless connection between human beings and the land they cultivate. Kale is more than a trend. It is a living legacy of human ingenuity, agricultural skill, and respect for the power of plants. Every leaf you eat carries the story of generations, from ancient gardeners to modern farmers, sustaining life through seasons and climates. It is a green that teaches patience, resilience, and appreciation for the subtle yet powerful forces of nature. As you prepare and savor kale, remember that you are participating in a ritual that has nourished humans for thousands of years. You are tasting not only a vegetable, but the history, culture, and science of one of nature's most remarkable gifts. Kale is a reminder that health is built leaf by leaf, meal by meal, season by season, and that the most humble plants often carry the greatest power. Like and subscribe to stay connected to more fascinating journeys of the world's most powerful foods.